In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of this great two-story home here in a quite newer neighborhood in a fantastic location here on the northwest side of Tucson. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,059 square foot single family home, and we're going to go take a tour of it right now. And after that, you may find yourself wanting to move over here to Tucson. Stay tuned. It's Steve Dooley. So as we walk in here, you can see this home features a really nice wrought iron security door. That's a super cool feature. And we're going to head inside here. Again, this is a little bit over 2,000 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bathroom home. They got tile listed running throughout the bottom here. That's going to open up into a great room and then the kitchen area, which we'll get to in just a second. But before we do that, as you saw there, the staircase leads you right upstairs. So let's go up there and check out the bathrooms. But let's just do that. Check out the beds and baths up top here. Now, as we do this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these home tours, and get a feel for what it feels like to live in Tucson. So upstairs we have some thicker carpet. It's in good shape. I also didn't mention that this house was built in 2009, so it is newer. And over here to the left, you can see that, which looks like a bedroom. However, it's a little deceiving, as that is like just an open office extra room. And it's a nice big open space. I mean, truthfully, you could have it as a bedroom, but there's like no secure there. But it'd be a great play area for kids or home office or what have you. So that's that there. One other thing to note on the upstairs, which is kind of nice, a lot of these have 8-foot ceilings. This home does have high ceilings, like 9 or 10 feet. Not sure which. They got a big open archway there, and that leads into the 2 guest bedrooms. And we'll start with this one here on the right. Checking that one out. And we do have that carpet running throughout here. It's a good sized room. Standard closet there. And then as you walk out, that looks back out to that open office area, landing area there. And then right next door, you have brother or sister's room here. Another guest bedroom. These rooms are good size. They have the high ceilings running throughout the whole upstairs here, which is kind of nice. So there's that room. Very cool. Back out into the open office or playroom. And you can see that's where we came up the stairs there. But just across there is the guest bathroom. We'll poke our heads in there. They do have tile in there. And they have a nice countertop. They do have space for a dual sink there, which you could put that in there pretty easily. They just have the one sink there though. And a nice shower tub. Pretty standard construction, for these newer style homes. Then we're going to come out. So those are the 2 bedrooms. Now if we came up the stairs here, looking back down, if we came up the stairs and turned to the right, we'd find ourselves in the master. And before I get all into that room here, I'm going to immediately to your right, you have like a really big walk-in closet, an attic crawl space, access there with shelving, clothes hangers and all that. So very good size room. Closet there. And then here's the master. Again, it's a good size room as well. The house is 2,000 square feet, so it's not a tiny house. This would be a great starter home. And this property is listed at $412,000, I believe. All right, as we go into the bathroom, you have a toilet area in here. Standard toilet. And then a walk-in shower, which is pretty nice. Lots of natural light. And this one does have the dual sink feature here. So it had space for that in the other bathroom, but this one they actually have it installed. All right, so that's the upstairs. So let's go downstairs. Again, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, my contact information's in the description below. Feel free to call or text. All right, that's back out front. So this is the big open entryway, or open great room area downstairs. Again, the high ceilings and can lights. And we're gonna go right down this hallway here. As you can see, the laundry straight ahead. This is just a little closet here, but right here you have the half bathroom. Hit that light there for us. So half bathroom. It's got a nice sink and a toilet. So that's always a great feature, you know, so you don't have to climb up and down the stairs every time you want to go to the bathroom. And nice washer dryer laundry room here. And then we'll poke our heads into the garage. They do have these lights on timers. I had them on. So that's kind of nice. Saves you a little energy. But it's a standard garage. They got some shelving. It's finished. And it has a nice, newer looking gas water heater. But yeah, pretty standard garage. 2-car. Very common for these type of homes. And again, here's the open area here, which is real nice. It's got a fireplace. And that guy is a gas burning fireplace. So here's the kitchen area. Let's back up and get a good shot of that. Looking back out to the entry. Again, the high ceilings throughout. Those are granite countertops. It's another nice feature. So they've definitely put some upgrades into this property when they bought it. You got all stainless appliances and fridge. Dishwasher. You got like a bar there. So I could see the people sitting at the bar quite a bit. It's definitely got room for your bar stools and everything. And then out back, have a nice yard here. All right. So hopefully you're enjoying these home tour videos. And again, if you have questions or would like to schedule tours of any of these properties, yeah, I'm happy to help. My contact information is in the description below. You can call, text me, or just book a call at your convenience. There's a scheduler on there as well. So we can talk about anything you want, about properties, the market, you name it. We're here for you for all your real estate needs. And go ahead and like and subscribe and watch another video, all right? Thank you.